Good morning students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will start with our chapter number 17, that is punctuation marks. Now first I would like to tell you why punctuation marks are used. Okay, a punctuation mark is used to indicate a pause or a stop in a sentence. Okay, pause एक sentence है. Okay, वहाँ पे pause लेना है या stop करना है वो sentence, तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? पंचुएशन मार्क. ओके, देन अ पंचुएशन मार्क इज यूज टू सेपरेट सेंटेंसेस एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ओके, नाउ दूसरा यूज क्या है उसका कि हम उस सेंटेंस को सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, या फिर कुछ पार्ट, सेंटेंस के कुछ पार्ट को सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर दैट वी यूज पंचुएशन मार्क्स. ओके, and punctuation mark makes the meaning of a piece of writing clear. Okay, means clear writing करने के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Punctuation mark. Okay, so these are the three use of punctuation marks: to indicate pause or stop in a sentence, then to separate sentence and parts of sentence, and to making the meaning of piece of writing clear. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn about 4 punctuation marks. They are full stop, question mark, comma and exclamation mark. Now a full stop is always used at the end of a sentence, as you all know. This is the basic thing. Okay, you all know that it is used at the end of the sentence. Now it lets you know that the sentence has came to an end. Okay, full stop लगाने से हमें क्या पता चलता है कि ये sentence जो है वो अभी end हो गया है. Okay, the sentence is now completed. Now a full stop is also known as a period. Okay, full stop को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Period भी कह सकते हैं. Now let us see few examples. That is an old building. Full stop. See, that means the sentence has came to an end. Okay. This is a doll. I am going for a walk. Give me a pen and an eraser. Okay, so by adding full stop, our sentence gets completed. Okay, it comes to an end, and it is also known as period. Okay. The next is question mark. Now a sentence is that asks something and end with an question mark are called questions or asking sentences. Okay, means अगर जो sentence जो है वो कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. Okay, ऐसे बताते हैं कि कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, and at the end it is having a question mark, so it is known as it is called questions or asking sentences. Okay, now for example, where is my bag? See, where indicates that it is something like asking thing. Okay, asking word. So where is my bag? It is a question, so we added question mark. Similarly, what are you doing? When will she arrive here? Are you coming with me? So where, what, when are a words that shows something, that something is like asking questions. Okay, and at the end there is a question mark. So this is how we comes to know that the sentence is asking us something. Okay, it is a type of a question. Okay, so whenever we ask a question, we should always put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, now we will see about comma. But before starting, please read with me aloud. I saw a tiger and lion and bear and giraffe and kangaroo and a few monkeys in the zoo. Okay, now see, and is repeated so many times in the sentence. Okay, now a comma is used to separate 3 or more words in a sentence. Okay, हम comma कब use करते हैं? To separate 3 or more words in a sentence. Now see the second line. I saw a tiger, comma, lion, comma, bear, comma, giraffe, comma, kangaroo and a few monkeys in the zoo. So while adding comma, the repetition of and is removed. Can you see? सो हमने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या है, एंड बहुत रिपीट हो रहा है. तो इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस we just added comma and we removed end. So the sentence is now, I saw a tiger, lion, bear, giraffe, kangaroo and a few monkeys in the zoo. So this sentence is proper sentence. Okay, the second sentence is proper. Okay, it avoids the repetition of the word and it makes the sentence easy to understand. Okay. Similarly, we will see one another example. The first sentence, again read with me aloud. While returning home, my mother asked me to bring orange juice and a packet of porridge and some vegetables and biscuits and 10 kg wheat flour. Okay, now in the second sentence what we did? In the first sentence again there is a repetition of A and E and. Okay, so now in the second sentence what we did? We removed and we added comma. So see, while returning home, comma, my mother asked me to bring orange juice, comma, a packet of porridge, comma, some vegetables, comma, biscuits and 10 kg wheat flour. See, now there is no and in between. Okay, there is only one and, that is in the last, that is biscuits and 10 kg wheat flour. Okay, so the second sentence is proper. Okay, there is no repetitions of and. Okay, so we avoided repetition in this. So this is the way you can use comma to separate 3 or more words in a sentence. Okay, so there are few more examples. Please get a pen, paper and a bag for me. See, again we added comma. Okay, and the second sentence is, the painting is in red, pink, blue and orange colors. So this makes a sentence proper. Okay, now we also use a comma between the items in a list. Okay, items in a list means एक list होती है, that I like dancing, painting, singing. Okay, so वो list जो है वो उसके लिए भी हम comma use कर सकते हो. Okay, in between, like I like to dance, paint, sing and play guitar. See, there is a list, dance, paint, sing. Okay, so we can just add simply comma in between and we can complete a sentence. We can make a proper sentence. Similarly, the second example, last Sunday, comma, I visited the marketplace, comma, a church, a museum and the library. See, I visited the marketplace, a church, a museum and the library. Again it is a list, the where we कहाँ कहाँ हम जाके आए हैं. Okay, so this is the way we can use comma in between the items in a list. Okay, we also use comma in address, dates and titles following a name. Okay, so see, first example is of address. How we use address, how to write address? That is 102 Delight Garden, comma, National Road, comma, Dehradun and the pin code. Okay, this is how we write our address. And second is to the titles of a name. Okay, titles of a name is Neeraj Jha. Neeraj Jha is principal. Okay, it is a name of a person. Okay, Neeraj Jha, comma, principal, comma, MS school. Understood? Neeraj Jha, comma, principal, comma and MS school. So here what we did, we separated the name, the position and the place where the Neeraj Jha works. Okay, so this is how we can also use comma in the titles. Okay, and in dates, how we will use comma in the dates? For example, August 15, 2020. Okay, हम ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं, August 15, 2020. Okay, so this is how we use the commas in the address, dates and titles. Okay. Okay, now we will talk about exclamation mark. Now the sentences which shows a feeling of joy and excitement, and such sentences those that shows or express surprise, shock or pain are called exclamatory sentences. Okay, कैसे कैसे exclamatory sentence होते हैं? फीलिंग ऑफ जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट, ओके, बहुत ही खुशी और एक्साइटमेंट बताते हैं, या फिर सरप्राइज और शॉक और पेन बताते हैं, तो those sentences are called exclamatory sentences and they always end with a exclamation mark. Exclamation mark क्या है? Exclamation mark, can you see the red color highlighted? That is exclamation mark. Now an exclamation mark is used after a word or a sentence that expresses a strong feeling of surprise, shock or excitement. Okay, as I told you कि कब यूज़ करते हैं हम exclamation mark? कोई ऐसी चीज़ दिखाते हैं जैसे सरप्राइज हो या शॉक हो या फिर एक्साइटमेंट हो, ओके, सो वैसे सेंटेंसेस के, वैसे वर्ड्स के पीछे हम क्या लगाते हैं? एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, वाओ, व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट. वाओ मीन्स अ फीलिंग ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, ओके, सो व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट. हुर्रा, it's vacation time for tomorrow, okay, it is a feeling of joy and excitement both. See, hurrah, it's vacation time from tomorrow. Now what a big globe it is. See, what a big globe it is. It is a feeling of surprise, okay, what a big globe it is. Oh my god, what a tall building. Again it is a feeling of shock, okay. Then ouch, an insect has bitten me. Ouch, that is pain, the feeling of pain. Ouch, an insect has bitten me. Similarly, there are more words that, whoa, take it easy boy. What an amazing human you are. Wait, it's red light. Okay, so all such sentences which shows you the joy and excitement or surprise, shock or pain, that are known as exclamatory sentences, and it always ends with a exclamatory mark. Okay. Thank you.